These are probably sometimes the most important adjustments are the service ones, like just to keep everything in alignment and prevention, so preventing things from locking up again.
Yep.
So just checking for that spring through the joints. As you know you've got 24 vertebrae in your spine from C1 to C7, T1 to T12, and L1 to L5. And what we're checking for is how much joint play there is, so how much movement there is in each joint, each segment of the spine. And so we've got a few spots through the middle here that just aren't springing too well. And lift your right leg up for me from your hip and back down, and the other side lifting it straight up and back down. Okay, and the right side again, and back down, and left and back down. Good. Leg length, yeah, so you are a bit off in your lower back and it's just showing up in your leg length, so it's even there, but it's very short on the left side there. Okay. Well, we'll start with the lower back. Scott, hop on your side, facing this way for me. Okay, breathing in, breathing out. Lovely. And that one shoulder back for me. Breathing in and breathing out. Nice, good. Okay. Should swing your legs around that way for me. Alright. Grab your hands in the back of your head for me. And elbows forward, breathing in. Lean back, breathe out. Good. And breathing in and out. Good. Oh, got that one? Yeah. Breathing in, come back and breathing out. Oh, that's it. And breathing in and breathing out. Oh, nice. So you work away. What's your roster again, Scott?
Yeah, 2 weeks on, 2 weeks off.
2 weeks on, 2 weeks off.
Yep.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Yeah, apart from go back tomorrow. So.
The day before, so I'm sure it's a busy one.
Oh yeah, could go to work, pick up tools, and Mum gets a new car.
Okay. Daughter goes back to school.
I should went back, yeah.
Okay.
Went back yesterday, I think.
Yeah.
Day before.
A lot of unhappy kids today.
Yeah.
Okay, drop the head over here. We'll keep. There we go. Nice. That's it. We'll go a little bit further. There we go. Nice.
That worked.
That worked. Yeah, your neck can be pretty stubborn sometimes.
Yeah.
But that moved in beautifully. Let's just check those feet. Sit up for me, legs over that way. Okay, I should get that shoulder, check that shoulder movement. Oh, a bit of a clip there.
Yeah.
Alright. And we'll just, there we go. That's it, good, that's better. Okay. So turn your head this way for me, and then to your right. Okay, good, back to neutral. Alrighty, Scott, that's a lot better.
Awesome, thanks for that.
No worries at all.